This is just a little project I'm working on. Thought people might be interested. So yeah, I want to put fuel injection on my Datsun Stanza. First thought was to put a trigger wheel on. That way I can pick up where it is in the cycle, and I can do like a wasted spark arrangement if I decided to get rid of the cam. If I decide not to put the cam position sensor in place of the distributor. Anyway, I just I pulled off the pulley to get some measurements for a trigger wheel. So first I've just 3D printed a test piece. So the reason I wanted to make my own was because the Bosch reluctance sensor that I'm using wants this particular missing tooth arrangement, so not an entire missing tooth. That wants effectively where the teeth are removed, a raised section here that you can see, and all the ones I saw online did not have that. And so that's why I decided to get my own made. So I came with this initial design just to test fit some clearances, and then realised this internal bore would not fit here, it would clash with that. So a second revision was to enlarge the bore. Now I took some weight out of the edge, pardon me, just to lighten it up. And test fit that, and it all came pretty good. And so I sent that design over to a local laser cutter shop, and I got a laser cut 60-2 trigger wheel. Needs a little bit of tidying up, but other than that, it's pretty good. You can buy trigger wheels online for maybe $40 Australian, but I was able to get 5 for 50. So if anyone wants a trigger wheel, let us know. Got some spares. And so and I was going to just mount on the back of the pulley. So I built took the pulley off and got some measurements with the hole placement. So I decided to just use 4 holes, and then I moved this over to about 22.5 degrees it was off, so I can orientate in a number of positions and rotate it to offset this from top dead center. And then what else did I do? I printed off a design this to sort of jig alignment to help locate the holes. So this picks up the internal bore of this to pick up like concentricity, make it concentric, and then I slide that on that and just line it up. And then these holes were just for my center punch, and drill, tap for M6, and then I'll be able to, and that just will sit right on. So keen. And then it's cast iron, the pulley, so I'm not sure whether I should just thread lock that, and because of the rotation, or I'm thinking maybe using tie wire between all 4 bolts, just to stop those bolts from coming out, because it would make a mess if it came out in that location. So yes, that was the first sensor arrangement. And then the sensor will be placed up here, and it'll pick up off here, which I'll probably try and do another video for that. And then I've grabbed a map sensor off an old Ford Ute. Can't remember the exact model. And so so that'll be my map sensor, and then I can pick up, and then I can measure engine speed and position relative to the 360 degrees. Not on compression or not, because yeah, it's just off the crank. So, but yeah, that'll be good enough to start having a play with. Anyway, I thought I'd just share that, and if anyone's got any questions, just let me know. Cheers.